In this video, I'll guide you through how to record a PowerPoint presentation with Cameo. This is a fantastic feature that allows you to add a personal touch to your presentations by integrating your camera feed directly into your slides. This makes your presentation more engaging and allows you to connect with your audience on a more personal level. So let's dive right in and get started. First up, you'll want to open the Record tab. You can find this tab on the top ribbon of your PowerPoint application. Navigating to the Record tab is your gateway to all the tools you'll need for recording your presentation, including the Cameo feature. This tab is where all the magic happens, so make sure you're comfortable finding and using it. Once you're in the Record tab, the next step is to click on Cameo in the camera group. What this does is it adds a placeholder box to your slide. This placeholder is where your camera feed will appear once you start recording. It's essentially a preview of where you'll be on the slide. You can move and resize this box so your camera feed appears exactly where you want it during your presentation. Take a moment to adjust it if needed so that it complements your slides perfectly. Next, you'll want to start the studio by clicking From Beginning. This option is located within the Record tab and will open up the full screen recording studio. Think of this as your command center for recording your presentation. It's here that you'll be able to see your slides in full screen as well as your camera feed in the Cameo placeholder. It's a great way to ensure everything looks just right before you start recording. When you're ready to begin, go ahead and click the red record button. This is where the fun begins. As you advance through your slides, your camera feed will appear, move, or resize according to the specific Cameo settings you applied to each slide. This seamless integration helps maintain a smooth and professional-looking presentation. Remember to speak clearly and engage with your audience as you go through your slides. Once you've finished presenting, it's time to stop the recording. To do this, simply click Stop. This will end your recording session. After stopping, it's a good idea to review your recording to make sure everything looks and sounds perfect. You can do this by playing back the recording and checking for any areas that might need improvement. This is your opportunity to ensure your presentation is polished and ready for your audience. And there you have it. You've successfully recorded a PowerPoint presentation with Cameo. This feature is a game changer if you want to make your presentations more dynamic and personal. Whether it's for a business meeting, educational session, or a personal project, using Cameo can help you deliver your message more effectively. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you master recording PowerPoint with Cameo. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. Until next time, happy presenting.